Look, a bear.
Where?
Over there.
I can't see it. Oh. Oh, you know what we gotta get? We gotta get those the grizzly masks. The skiing masks.
Yeah.
I think they're awesome. Is the camera okay?
Yeah.
Here we go. Woo! Oh, they're pros. Yeah, you gotta keep up the speed, or you get stuck doing this. I'm recording. I'm recording.
I heard tell you to relate. Yeah.
We match.
Duct tape?
Yeah, can you see the tuck tape?
Yeah. I'm going back because I want to use them.
Okay.
We're ready to follow along.
He wants to go in the back. Woo! There's our favorite place to go.
That's our favorite place. Boom, boom.
It's awesome in there.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's fast?
But you can stop at all times.
It's not that it's fast. You'll get going really fast.
It's just a bunch of those little bumps right there. When you go in, you go down. You go up, you go down. Then you go this way, this way. It's crazy.
Let's see what's going on here.
Okay, let's go down. Maybe we'll go down there later, eh, Bee? Okay. Ooh, I wish I could do that. Want me to try? Whoa, yeah. Look, I can even go like this way. I've never even skated backwards before. That's it. I'm getting a job here. Ooh, look at you. Oh, yeah? Ooh, yeah.
Just do it in steps, Bree.
Oh, yeah, this isn't scary. You got this.
Back and forth.
Go over this way. Woo! Oh. Oh yeah. Here looks like it's really steep, but I kind of pick up a little speed here because you'll end up stopping at the bottom of this one.
Yeah. Keep practicing that. Go to a small turn.
Yeah. Woo!
Bend one knee uphill just like you're standing on one step.
Good job. Now go up the side of the mountain right quick and do a jump.
Lean from leg to leg. Put pressure on one leg than the other. You know what I mean?
Oh, I'm gonna go catch up to Bee. She just rolled her. As soon as I turned around, I seen her skis go up in the air. What are you doing, tricks? She just went off the side of that mountain there. You gotta take one off, you think?
No. Lean up the hill. Lean this way. Look. Hip facing this way. Yeah. Put your skis downhill.
Yeah.
Grab your pole. Both legs like that. Grab your pole. Grab them at the top. Look. Grab them like that. Put your hands halfway up and right at the top. Look. Balls like this. Hands on the top of it. Dig them in.
Yeah. But you.
You put them. And then lean, dig your skis
Oh.
at the same time you're pushing yourself up. There you go.
Oh yeah. Sweetness.
That's the hardest one you get. I can follow them.
Good job. Once you get good, Justin, you can go over that too. I might attempt it later. I might go up that one later. Up the side there. Yeah. Vienna! We could come out there if we wanted to, but I never do. I don't think I would want to do that one either. Okay guys, I'm going down the rest of the way backwards. See you later. Oops. Oh shit. Pick up a little bit of speed so you can make it back to the chair. Or you can go straight up that big hump down there.
Let's do the other run. You guys are ready. We're going to the other side of the hill.
Go up the chairlift again. Let's go. Oh yeah, you're really good anyways. You're just as good as me, I can tell.